watching. So I thought I'd do a little bit of like a vlog style video today because I just have so much stuff to share with you. Home updates, life updates, and baby updates, and just like tons of stuff. So we're gonna get into it in this video. If you guys want to see more of these videos, like the relaxed and vlog style video, let me know by giving this a thumbs up. I don't do these that often and I always want to and mean to, but I feel like I just wait until I have a lot of things to share with you to make it interesting, so you're not just like watching me pour my coffee every day or something. I don't know. So let me know if you guys are into these just regular life videos. But I'm just going to start by showing you some home stuff and baby stuff and go from there. So if you enjoy, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is the new setup for my desk. I'm not gonna go all the way up just because there's stuff written up there I can't share yet, but this is what it's looking like. And everything that you see here I had already, but pretty much everything is from HomeGoods. So I like to switch it up every once in a while just because I get kind of sick of like the setups that I have after a while. I used to have it in front of this window, if you remember that. So I just moved it over here. And I'll just do like a run through really quickly of what everything's looking like. That stuff obviously is not supposed to go there, but it's just things I need to put away. So yeah, pretty much everything is from HomeGoods except for, I know this and this guy is a set I bought online from Amazon. So if you like that, I will have a link for it down below. But this just has like a bunch of paperwork in it, a cute sign. I used to have a lot of these smaller picture frames with like fun sayings and prints in them, and I can't find them anywhere. So I just have that one for now. And then these flowers are from HomeGoods. That is a Luxie hair extension box down there, but I thought it looked really cute having the flowers on top of it. And these are another purchase from Amazon, and they are the blue light glasses, like they block it. So like we're working on the computer at night, staring at your phone, it's supposed to help that. I haven't been feeling that great today, so I opened a Coke, which I'm not even a soda person, and I had like a few sips of it and then I was like, I don't want it. So that's like 3/4 full. And then I made this a very long time ago in a home decor video, and I just want to switch it out semi-regularly with fun sayings that are like really motivational that I find on Pinterest. That's where I found that one. So that's what this area is looking like. I do want to get a new lamp. I've had that lamp forever. I just don't really like it that much anymore. And I looked at HomeGoods a few days ago and the only lamps they had were like huge. So that is a work in progress, but for the most part I really, really like it. And down here is a trash can. That's a new find from HomeGoods. It was on sale for $10. So have a look in the sale section because I think the full price on that is like $16 or $17. It's hard to say because they always put those sale stickers on top of the regular stickers, so you can't tell. But I feel like that was a really good deal. And then this chair is kind of big for this room, but I sit in it a lot. I get a ton of use out of it, so I'm just gonna keep it there. I like having it sitting here so I can use this for a drink if I'm sitting here or if I'm sitting here. And I need to get, what do you call those strips where like it plugs in and then it has a bunch of things for an outlet? I need to get one and put it down there because I've just been using an extension cord. And then I also purchased a bunch of stuff from ASOS for the Babymoon. I am so ready, you guys. I feel like I've been waiting for this for forever. So that's only a couple days away. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I got. And I did purchase everything in a 4, and I got this in a 6, but everything else in 4. 2 things are too small, so I need to send those back, which is a bummer. I tried them on and they're very tight. So if they're tight now, then they are not going to fit anytime soon. And this is something I'm sending back. I put it on and it fits fine, but I feel like it fits perfect right now. So I feel like there's no reason for me to keep it because I know it's only going to get so much more tight than it is right now. And I got everything from the sale section. So unfortunately, that's gonna go. Oh, that was the back. I didn't even realize. The front though, that's what it looks like. Just fitted. And then where should I put this? Just hook it right there. It's already falling off. Okay, so this is a maxi dress as well that's going back, and this one is a little more tight than the other one. That's what the front of it is like. So I wish I could hold on to that, but I don't have time to exchange. That's why I'm going to return it. And I haven't put this on yet, but I'm sure it's gonna fit. It's like a flowy tank, so I can't imagine that it won't. It was on sale for like $13 too. It has those rings up there, if you can see that, just super flowy, really lightweight. It's like a rosy pink shade, like a silky rosy pink color. And I did get these overalls, which you guys will see in a video. It might be the video after this, it might be the second video after this, but I'm wearing these in that video and I think they're really cute. At first I was not sure about them, but I really like them now. So got those. A dress I'm going to hide as a surprise for Chad. It's not like a huge surprise, obviously, it's just an outfit, but I haven't shown it to him. So there we go. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's super heavy. It's really nice too. It's also from ASOS. Like everything I'm showing you right now is from ASOS. I feel like it wasn't focusing, so hopefully that's better, but it's just like really flowy and pretty and formal. So somewhere that we go that's fancy for dinner, I'm gonna wear that guy. I'm pretty sure the last thing is this top, this striped top. I'm just gonna put the Instagram photo I posted up because, or actually it's on my like to know it. I don't know where that shirt is, but that was part of this order. So yeah, I'm gonna send back those two dresses. The sweatpants worked, everything else worked. I really wish those other dresses worked because, I mean, it's when I have things, it's gonna be fine. I have other things I can wear, but yeah, that's just a little bit of a hassle, but not a big deal. And spoiler alert, it's nowhere near done. So I think after we get back from the trip is when we're going to start on like the wall stuff. It took me a long time to pick out the wall stuff that we're gonna do in here. So that's all picked out. I just had to place an order for it. And then what was I gonna tell you? Obviously we have the crib, we have the chair over here, an ottoman. We just got a Mamaru last week or the week before. This is something that we got from Chad's friend at work. So we'll probably put this at like his parents' house or something. And then I also got a diaper genie from Target. And I'm gonna move it so I can show you. We were sent a DACA tot, which is super duper exciting. And this is what it looks like. It's the white one with the stripes. So that'll be really nice to have. I'm just gonna keep a lot of stuff in the boxes until we are ready for it. For this wall, I'm gonna back up. So it's kind of hard considering everything is literally all over the place, but this is not going to be in here. I ordered a big like wall system that we're going to set up. It'll be here probably the day after we get back from the Babymoon, but again, we have to do like a bunch of stuff on the walls, so I don't know when we're gonna set it up. So basically all the furniture has been ordered. Sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. All the furniture has been ordered, and the only thing that's not here is this. And then in here, we still have to finish this stuff obviously, but since we have stuff to do on the walls, this is all going to wait until the walls are done, so that way it's all white and pretty and perfect, and there's no like paint or nicks or anything on the trim that's going up. So yeah, it's still a hot mess in here, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. I ended up filling a lot of this stuff up just because I felt like I needed to. It was driving me so crazy not having anything hung up. So just like a rough start, I got these baskets at HomeGoods. There's 3 of them, and then there's a larger one down here. And I really wanted ones that were a little bit shorter, so that way if I'm standing right here, I can actually see inside of it, instead of like having it so high up that I have to open it. So I like having them poke out a little bit like that. I just feel like it saves me a lot of time and like searching through things. And over here is the newborn, and then it goes up to 3 months. Still have no idea if this is a ton of stuff or if it's not. Over here is 3 to 6 months, I believe, and then I think I did 6 to 9. And everything over here is kind of like the random stuff, like swimsuits, and yeah, just like some random things, or for like 1 year size I think I put over there too. And then the baskets just have swaddle blankets and just random stuff. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of what I put in these baskets. It probably won't stay like this at all. I don't know if there's even anything in here. 1 burp cloth or a set of them. Pacifiers over here, I guess I'll just throw those, oops, in this one. So at least some progress. I'm sure in the next update I share with you guys, it's going to be like way more done than it is right now. And a lot of people have asked if I'm doing an update soon, like for the pregnancy and all that stuff. And the reason I haven't done an update since sorry, I saw something on the deck and I thought it was like an animal, but it's not, it's a rock. Anyways, the reason I haven't done an update, like a pregnancy update video, is just because I feel like I don't have anything to update you guys on. I did one on the first trimester because there was so much happening and going on and changing and symptoms and all that. And for the most part, I'm 22 weeks this week. I feel fine. I feel the same that I felt for a long time. Of course, I get kind of tired here and there, but it isn't like strange and extreme symptoms like it was in the first trimester so far. I'm honestly like really crossing my fingers because I've been able to get so much stuff done. Like you guys have been noticing, I've been posting a ton of videos, and I hope that I still feel good, or like I stay feeling good, because it's been really nice having like a lot of energy to film and upload. I hope you guys can hear that ice cream truck music. I'm like on the fence about it. Should I get it? Should I not? Also, if you guys haven't seen it, I do have a summer home decor video up. This thing, a ton of other stuff. So check it out if you haven't seen it yet. It's a lot of like really fun and easy things to do around your house for summer. This already has some avocado on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then I saw this salad on Rachel Parcel's Instagram. It's on her blog. It's rachelparcel.com. But how good does that salad look? I turned the brightness down, so hopefully it shows up for you guys on here. But it's just something a little bit different. I don't have salads like that very often. I think the dressing she has on here is like a spicy lime vinaigrette, something like that, but I couldn't find anything similar at the grocery store. So instead I just got this one. It is, what does it say? Honey mustard. So hopefully it's still good with this. I feel like it'll be fine with that. I don't think I've purchased this one before, but it seemed like it would fit for everything else that's on there. So I will let you guys know how it goes. I also am making spaghetti. Let me show you the dressing. Here's the spaghetti sauce I'm going to use, and this is really expensive, or it's like fairly expensive, I should say, for spaghetti sauce. It's like $6 a jar, or $6.30, I don't know, something like that. But a lot of people on Instagram have shared this and said it's like the best spaghetti sauce they've ever had. So of course I've been like thinking about it, and I had to buy it and test it out. So we're gonna have spaghetti tonight and that salad first. I don't know where Chad is. I think he's supposed to be here any minute, or he should have been here by now. So I'm just gonna start dinner and hope it goes well. I'm not even hungry, but I just feel like I haven't had like real food in a while, so I'm gonna force myself to eat it. And I'm going to show, I'm gonna get everything out actually, and then I'll show it to you. Here's everything that I'm gonna use. I just got a text from Chad that he's on his way home, and I've never used a ground turkey in spaghetti, but I feel like that's a thing people do. If you have done it and you like it, let me know. But it's obviously healthier than ground beef, and I live in the Midwest. We eat a ton of ground beef. That's typically what I use in spaghetti, but I'm trying to be healthier. So I have that. I have my spaghetti noodles. I'm going to put this on. Once it's fully cooked, I'll put this in it. I don't think I have to strain it, right? Because it's only 7% fat. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Chad as soon as he gets here. And then the salad, I didn't even read it. I should, but I'm just looking at a picture. So feta and tomato, cilantro, avocado, some chickpeas, red onion, spring mix, and then the salad dressing. So I'm gonna get all this stuff started at least while he's on his way home.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll let the one anyone knew. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete.
Where do I go?
How do you even know how much to use?
I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh.
Pretend there's not a huge mess everywhere, but let me show you the picture again. Okay, we turn the brightness down so you can actually see it. So this is like the fancy version, all perfect. These are mine, obviously. I'm going to say this is a rustic style, okay? So they're not as perfect as the picture, but it's all the same stuff there.
Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.
I'm trying to be quiet since Chad is sleeping, so I hope you guys can hear me okay, but I wanted to show you what was in the crib in the baby's room. I bought a bunch of stuff on Macy's and I haven't shown it to you yet, so I'm going to show it to you real quick and then wake him up so he can get into our bed. So this is everything that I got. I got a pack of 4 in the newborn size and also in the 3-month size, and everything here I got on sale. I don't know exactly how much everything was off, but every single thing was on sale. So this is a car seat cover and then some of these handkerchief style bibs, star ones too. These are like strap covers. I got a wearable blanket, some hats, these burp cloths, a bunch of pants because I have so many onesies but I don't have a lot of pants. So I got a lot of those. There's some more up top. This guy is just too cute. A really light sweater. And then I'm just going to move this out of the way. This guy was a set. So this onesie, it came with this as a set. I found these sweaters on sale for $15 and I always see baby sweaters for like $30 or higher. So I wanted to pick up a couple of those since I found them for a good deal. This one says, "I'm just here for the snacks." Really, really cute. So that's everything that I picked up from the last round of shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just have been working on this video this whole night. I literally haven't done anything else since dinner. So I hope you liked how I edited it. I think it turned out really cool. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Tons of stuff is linked down below for you. And I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.